Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil light on Infiniti Q60. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and press the trip reset button on the dash. Navigate to the maintenance or oil menu using the steering wheel controls and select Reset. Hold the reset button until the oil light blinks and then goes out. Confirm by cycling the ignition off and on to ensure the light stays off. Start with the ignition on and do not start the engine. Press Info or Menu and use the left and right arrows to find Maintenance or Oil Life. Highlight the Oil Reset option and press Enter or OK. Hold the button when prompted until the percentage or oil light resets to 100% or shows confirmation. Turn the car off and then back on to verify the oil light does not illuminate again. If the oil light persists, check that oil level and quality are correct before retrying the reset sequence. Some Q60 trims use the steering wheel menus, while others use a center console knob, so try both methods. Clear any stored maintenance messages that may prevent a reset. If you still cannot reset the light, visit a technician or reference the owner manual for model-specific steps to avoid masking a real engine issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.